Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, if I go into my chats and I go into chat with another account that I have, as you can see, if I swipe it up, it is enabling me to turn on vanish mode. And as you can see, vanish mode pretty much makes messages that are sent and seen disappear when you close the chat, so that is sort of a privacy feature which you can readily use. Now, if you've accidentally turned it on and try to tap messages like so, for example, and now as you can see they're in vanish mode. If I go out of the chat and go back in, they are still there. However, if I swipe back up, this is how you turn off vanish mode, by the way. As you can see, those messages have disappeared. If I turn it back on, those messages are permanently gone and there is no way to get them back. However, as you can see, literally all it takes to turn the vanish mode on or off is swiping up until this circle turns blue, and then once you do, it'll be either enabled or disabled, of course depending on the situation you're currently in. If it's enabled, you'll disable it. If it's disabled, you'll enable it. And it is very useful for privacy and things like that, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.